Hello YouTube, welcome back. This is a quick unboxing for the new Stribog SP9A3. Roller delay blowback. So we have the SP9A1. This is now the SP9A3. Just picked it up a few days ago. Similar stuff. Looking forward to trying it. As I mentioned, SP9A3, which is roller delay version of the Stribog, which is one of my favorite affordable PCCs. So in the box, comes in this case. I haven't removed anything yet. Manual, 3 magazine. Now note the difference is that they've now improved the design of the magazine with a reinforced aluminum plate on the top, so we'll see if that's any better. I didn't have any problem with my previous magazine, but I noticed these magazines are new. Lock, a spare set of sights, the built-in sights on the Stribog. Similar look and feel, similar design. I think the new one is just the mechanism in the inside that's different. So, and fired, all new. Same, it comes into the pistol configuration, 9x19, no brace, and I already have the stock end brace for this one, so I'll have to form one. I think, I'm not sure, but this may be new. There's a little logo here. I'll have to compare against the SP9A1, but real quick, the Stribog SP9A3 roller delay blowback, same non-reciprocating handle. So next time will be a review and shooting in at the range. If you like today's content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Thanks for watching.